up in here somewhere. It was before it crossed the road, because this stuff across the road's new. Oh, there's got to be one. Mom, where's the wooden crosses you put out here? They probably broke down by now. I thought that was one, but it ain't. Bears? Which one's Bob?
The one she did with Bob?
Yeah.
He's out here too.
That's what I thought you were pointing. I thought you were pointing at it.
Barn. There's a lot of barns in our family. That's what Mom's maiden name was. Barn. Or no, Sutton.
Porter. Cooper.
That person said died. That person said died.
Hey, Joe. Some of the older ones are back there.
Alright.
So watch your step because it ain't raining lately, but this graveyard kind of floods. So, but it ain't rained lately. Or it don't flood, it just holds water.
Bitter time. Anybody here? Any spirits? I'm not gonna harm you on your nights. I would never harm anyone. We might ask me some questions. What is your name? Are you friendly? Are you a part of my family? Did cemetery have some of my family members here? Do you know a person by the name Sutton? You can speak if you want to. Don't be sad. If there are any spirits here,